All right, let's talk about one of the biggest, most annoying time wasters in pretty much any business, getting documents signed. Today we're going to dive into Digisigner, a tool that's built to take you from that paper chaos to digital efficiency. And it does it in just a few clicks. You're definitely going to want to see how this works.
You know the drill, right? You get an important contract, and what happens next? You've got to print it out, sign it, find a scanner, if you can even find one anymore, scan it, save it, and then email it back. It's just so many steps, and it feels completely ancient in today's world.
And you know, we're calling this the paper document problem for a reason, because it's really more than just a little inconvenience. It's a genuine obstacle that slows down your business in some very, very real ways. I mean, think about it. Every single minute you spend fiddling with a printer or a scanner is a minute you're not spending on your actual work. It costs money, paper, ink, you name it. And it just grinds everything to a halt, whether you're trying to hire someone new or close a super important deal. This is that bottleneck we're here to talk about getting rid of.
So what's the answer? Let's take a look at the modern, streamlined way to handle signatures, one that completely cuts paper out of the equation.
Say hello to Digisigner. At its core, it's a free online service, and it's designed to do one thing and do it incredibly well. Let you and anyone else sign documents electronically. It's all in one place. No paper, no printers, no hassle.
So why even make the switch? Well, how about this? You can get a document signed and sent off in less than 2 minutes, without even leaving your chair. Seriously. You can invite a client to sign with just a couple of clicks, and you'll get a notification the second they do it. This doesn't just make you faster, it makes you look good. It shows your partners you're modern, you're professional, and you value their time. And what's the bottom line? You close deals way faster.
Okay, so how does this thing actually work? Let's walk through the whole process, step by step, just to see how ridiculously simple it is.
The whole thing really just boils down to 3 easy steps. First, you upload your document. And hey, this isn't just for PDFs. It works with Word docs, images, Excel sheets, you name it. Second, you sign it. And we're going to get into all the cool ways you can do that in just a second. And third, if you need other people to sign, you just invite them. The system takes care of everything else and pings you when it's all done. Easy.
Now, that second step, the sign part, that's where things get really cool, because this is where you get a ton of flexibility. This is not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. You've got total control over how your signature looks and feels.
You actually have 4 different options for creating your signature. You can just type your name and pick a font that you like for a really clean, professional look. Or you can draw your signature with your mouse or a trackpad to give it that personal touch. You can even upload an image of your signature if you already have one, or, and this is pretty neat, use your webcam to snap a quick photo of your signature from a piece of paper. Once it's on the document, you can drag it around, resize it, and get it positioned perfectly before you click Done. It's just incredibly versatile.
Okay, but with any kind of digital tool like this, 2 massive questions always pop up, right? 1, is it actually legally binding? And 2, is it secure? Let's tackle those right now.
So what you're seeing here are really the 2 pillars of trust for the service. On the legal side, it complies with major laws like the US e-Sign Act. What that means, in simple terms, is that these digital signatures have the same legal weight as a good old-fashioned pen and ink one. A signature can't be denied in court just because it's electronic. Then, on the security side, your documents are protected by all the standard stuff you'd expect, like firewalls and SSL encryption, to keep your data safe. So long story short, it's both legally solid and technically secure.
So, we know it's easy, we know it's secure, and we know it's legal. But who's actually using this thing? Let's see what professionals from a few different fields are saying about it.
Take Ben Wetherell, a photographer. For him, it's all about speed and simplicity. He says it streamlines and speeds up his entire workflow with his clients. And that, of course, means less time bogged down in admin and more time doing what he loves, being behind the camera.
Now, for a founder and CEO like Jessica Kelly, it's about making remote work, well, work. She points out how easy it makes remote contracts, and she specifically calls out the email alerts. And honestly, that little notification is a huge deal. It means you know the very second a deal is done without having to constantly check your inbox. And then there's Unai Nassar, a realtor. For him, it comes down to reliability and support. He says it's simple, it works perfectly, and, this is a big one, he points out that the customer support was really fast. Just knowing you have that backup if you ever need help is a massive confidence booster.
So what does this all boil down to? What's the real takeaway here? Digisigner isn't just about putting a signature on a document. It's a tool that actively saves you time, makes you look more professional, and completely gets rid of the headaches from that old paper-based system.
And that really just leaves us with one last question. When you can streamline your workflow, secure all your documents, and close deals faster than ever before, why would you ever go back to paper? Are you ready to finally leave that printer behind for good?